Hello children, I am Priyanka Goyal, your SST teacher, and today we will study about the earth, all the spheres of the earth. So basically there are 4 spheres of the earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Okay, let's begin the chapter. Our earth is unique in solar family. And why it is unique? Earth is the only planet which has got favorable temperature, water and life, which is valuable gift to the earth. Okay children, why earth is special planet? Because life exists only here on the earth. There is still no evidence that water and oxygen are available in the sufficient amount on the other planets. So we can say the earth is only planet where water and oxygen and atmosphere is found. So it is called special planet because life is possible here only. Life exists on earth only. Ordinarily, we know that the earth was just a fireball at the times of its origin. Children, we know that earth was just a fireball at the times of its origin. As this fireball cooled down slowly, it later transformed into many matters respectively, like liquid and solid. In this way, the air gas around the earth's surface came into existence. Huge reaches on this sphere were filled with water and turned into oceans. Thus, the exact form of earth was created. Okay children, initially earth was in a form of fireball. When slowly it started cooling down, it became solid. So many gases released. Okay, now we will talk about the spheres of the earth. There are 4 main spheres of the earth. Firstly, lithosphere. Lithosphere means total land area. Okay, so first we talk about the lithosphere. Upper layer of the earth's surface is generally made up of soil and solid matters. Means litho means soil. That is why upper layer of the earth is known as lithosphere. As this layer is made up of rocks and solid matters, it is known as the rock sphere and the solid sphere. Okay children, you understood about the first layer, that is lithosphere, consisting mountain, rocks and soil. Okay, area and the formation we will talk about. Upper layer of the earth crust is approximately 64 to 100 km thick. Light matters like aluminium and silica are mainly found in that. This layer is thin in the deep sea. Lithosphere occupies about 29% of the earth's surface. Mountain, plateaus, plains, etc. are there on this part of land. As we go into the depth of the lithosphere, the temperature increases gradually. On moving towards the depth, generally per kilometer 30 degrees Celsius temperature increases. Internal rocks are melted due to the intensive heat and turn into semi-liquid form. This molten liquid is called magma. This consists of various gases. Here, high pressure of the upper rocks is observed. Thus, balance is maintained between two opposite forces like pressure and heat. That is why Earth crust does not burst. Lithosphere has close relation with biosphere and vegetation. Our home, water, farming, industry and all are closely associated with lithosphere. Melon and crude oil is obtained from lithosphere. Various crops are obtained through farming. Various industries and other economic activities are performed in the plain region. Forest on the mountains region is indebted to the lithosphere. In short, it can be said that the pillar from food to dwelling and base of our existence means lithosphere. Understood, children, about the lithosphere? I hope you understood very well about lithosphere. This is the first layer and the topmost layer containing rocks and soil. This is first we studied about the first layer of the earth. In my next video we will talk about the hydrosphere. Okay children, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.